Why do you feel attachment to an aversion? And where do they come from? Fundamentally, their origin lies in the idea you have a being, a truly existing individual. Once that idea is present, you develop all kinds of concepts, such as my body, my mind, my name. You identify with these three things, and whatever seems agreeable to them, you cling to it. Whatever is unpleasant or repugnant to them, you want to be rid of it. The slightest suffering, such as being pricked by a thorn or being hit by a spark from the fire, upsets you. If someone wrongs you, you retaliate by doing them as much harm as possible. The idea of being a truly existing individual is ignorance at its most basic level, from which all the other negative emotions arise.